Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a strawberry. Starting with the upper part of the strawberry, we will complete it with little detailing of the dots, and after that you can color it with any color you want. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making drawing of a mushroom. As you can see, starting with the baby mushroom, we will move ahead to the big mushroom and giving it a face and mouth. Now you can color it with any color you want. We are using red color sketch pen and yellow and orange color for the small ones, and you can see it's ready. Next drawing we are making of a piece. Starting with the main body structure of this piece, we are making small points as the seed of this piece, and also making some seeds on the outside. Now we are making the leaves, and you can color it as per you want. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a cucumber plant. Starting with the leaves of this, we are making the cucumber, and then after that we are making another cucumber. Then we're gonna make the stems around it. After that we are detailing it a bit more. Then you can color it with any color you want.